Thank you, and welcome to another episode of Helium Hacks Happy Hour. Many of you know me by TT on our Discord channel over on Helium. So thank you for joining us, and we have a pretty cool show for you tonight, I hope. We have a special guest on, or two special guests, the developer of the Helium hosts platform that allows you to chat between other Helium hosts. And I know this is something that a lot of folks have been asking for a long time. And, you know, it's finally here, and they've been on the show before, and they took our input to heart and really were able to implement a lot of what we requested on the show. And so they came on tonight. I believe one of these guys just got back into the country. I want to do very quick intros, and then you go ahead and kind of jump into their presentation because I don't want to keep him up all night. I know he's got a young kid. So are you guys on the call right now?
Yeah, it's just me actually. Like Theo is coming, Theo is joining. He's actually based in New York, so time zone is not an issue for him actually. Bed here as well, actually 1 a.m.
Well, thank you very much for spending the time to catch up with us tonight, and bringing us up to speed on what you've been working on. Because I know you've been just working like crazy on this thing, and it's very cool with all of the new features that you've been implementing. So at this point, if you don't mind, I'm going to hand over the mic and allow you to screen share and introduce yourself and tell us what this project is all about.
Sure. I see that Theo joined as well.
Hey guys.
Well, basically, all started like a few months ago. Like I'm located in Sofia, Bulgaria, and I got my first miner, and I was looking at people. I was looking to set it up, and I was looking actually like the first week I didn't do anything. Like just a few.
I'm sorry to interrupt you for just a moment. If anyone doesn't have their mic muted when someone's presenting, can you go ahead and mute your mic just so it doesn't keep breaking in here? Would be greatly appreciated. I'll take care of that. Okay. Sorry for the interruption.
No worries.
Thanks a lot, man.
That's just a little bit of background. Like, so I started to look people around me, and I was trying to connect to local people who are on Discord, and actually I wasn't able to connect to anyone. Like I was asking, like, who's that hotspot? It was just a few hundred meters away from me. And that's where we came with the idea, like just trying to connect to hosts, talk to each other. And it worked great for us, actually. Just gonna screen share what we did so far. We are taking a lot of feedback from other guys as well. Like we're working on a few new features. Probably most of you saw it already. It basically gives you the opportunity to register with your wallet. And what is really nice, we do a verification, like you burn a small amount of HNT, which is just a fraction of HNT. And basically we verify your identity. So we know when you speak to the person, to the other person on the other end, you know that you're speaking to the actual owner of the hotspot. And we came with a few ideas, and then at the end we decided, like, what's the thing that everybody knows? Like everybody used the Explorer. Probably the best thing that we can do is actually just take the Explorer and just enhance that map. Like you probably, most of you, they've seen the map. Basically, the green dots are the online, the red dots are the offline. And we just enhanced it with a lot more content. We basically did the blue dots. That means those are the Helium hosts registered people. So from here it's quite easy. You just click on the hotspot that is blue, and then you just see the contact info. And here you can basically. We decided to at the beginning just to go to be just met in the middle. So we just allow the people to put their preferred contact method to be either Telegram, Discord, Skype, Signal, or Element. We got a lot of feedback from people using the Helium hosts already. We have about, I think as of this morning, about 2,500 hotspots, about 450 active users. And what we hear from their feedback, like currently what we're working are a couple of new features into the current system, like the ability to set notifications, like because currently if you join, it's just probably 5% of the people online. So a lot of the people, they want to set a notification, like whenever someone just appears online, you want to get an email or just a pop-up message, hey, the hotspot that you're interested in, it just pop up. You can speak to the owner. We're integrating video chat quite easily to start video chat as well. And I think in the near future, we're just gonna do our own chat system where we won't connect you directly to Telegram, but you're gonna have an integrated chat system where you're gonna be speaking directly to HeliumHosts directly into the app. Yep, I think that's more or less like it's really easy, as I said. Like you just zoom into where those on the left side are usually your hotspots. So you see, I have just 2 hotspots, and then you can, like, once you zoom there, you can see people around you, and then just see. That's how you can find me actually on Telegram. Yep. More or
So
less
question,
that's for me.
this is awesome. This is excellent. But can we get a live demo? I mean, is your partner up on? You're here on the call, right?
Yeah, I'm here as well. So
or
if you want, yeah,
is there another member that is a member of the site on host that wants to test out the functionality here?
Sure.
I don't know if someone. Let's see.
That's Theodore. So basically, you can just search his hotspot. I know he's located in New York, in Queens actually, and then from here I just go Telegram, and then they're just gonna pop up the chat and hey, what's up? That's basically it. Like you just search for a hotspot. Here you can see, like, here's located somewhere in Queens. Just click here, and then from here, if you had more chat methods, you're gonna see more, and then from here you just click on and that brings you directly in Telegram. So you're ready to go actually.
Awesome. And this also allows me privacy features where if I want to say, hey, I don't want to be contacted, I don't have people just hitting me up, right?
Yeah, you can disable it actually. Like whenever you go here in the settings, you can say I'm unavailable to chat. That means we won't share or display any contact information with anybody. Like you're just gonna see that the person is registered, but you won't see anything of his any of his contact methods. You see, I toggled mine and it says currently unavailable. And then you can just go here and toggle it back, and then I'm going to become available again.
That's very cool. And when it actually connects you together with the other person or the owner of that hotspot, it's just pushing you out into Telegram or into Discord or into these other messaging platforms and connecting the two. It's not actually going through anything on Helium hosts, right?
Yeah, we just connect the people. Like we don't store any information. Very concerned about privacy, so we just connect the 2 people. That's the beginning where we were saying, should we integrate it on our own, or should we let the people just talk somewhere else where they trust? That's why we added Signal and Element and all other different platforms where people decide which one to use actually.
And many of those are support full encryption end to end. So
yeah, Telegram,
cool.
Signal. I'm not quite sure about Skype, but Telegram, Signal, and Element are all end-to-end encrypted.
Very cool.
And just to jump in, if you guys hear me, the 2 new features that we've been working on, that maybe we will appreciate your feedback. The programmer, the main programmer, we have 2 other people who are also helping. But he's almost done with basically recognizing all the equipment that people use. So apparently there's a way through the API that you can see every single hotspot and then match it with the equipment. So basically, if you go on mine, which is in Astoria, Queens, when you click on it, we want to show that it's a rack miner. So, and then if since I am part of Helium hosts, if I log in, I'll be prompted to put also my antenna. So what antenna I'm using, because a lot of people want to know what top earners are doing in the area. So basically, we're going to start a little by little, we're going to start adding what equipment I'm using. Of course, if you want to do it, but that's a new thing that is coming up. And then the other feature that we're working on that I discussed is the tech support. So basically, to request help, and that we already have the packages that we are still negotiating few things with the company that is going to provide service. But we're able to right now have, let's say you want to bring your hotspot outside. I personally don't know how to do it. I don't know how exactly to connect inside the, because I do have a hotspot here, but it's not outside, it's not outdoor. So I'll probably be using the company to kind of give me some support on how to bring it outside. Yeah, I'm sorry, I've been having problems with my internet, but I was saying the other option, one is the equipment, being able to recognize different equipment. So basically, if you click on a hotspot, you'll be able to see what miner that is. And the other feature, the expert, which is, guys hear me? I mean, everyone can hear me now, or a little
You're
bit
still
better,
breaking
maybe?
up rather badly.
Still breaking up, yeah.
Is there any way Dimitar could
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
talk
sure.
about this?
What we're trying to do with the first thing is like it's quite interesting. Like probably not right now because 99% of the equipment is currently rack miners. But with the all other makers and vendors coming along and all the different antennas, we're trying to correlate or at least to give a little bit better information. Like we have local group that just I don't know. It was a few weeks ago. It was just me, Theo, and a couple of other people working for rack here in Bulgaria, and then in just 2 weeks we went from 2 to almost 200 people. So that's where the idea started. All the people were asking, what antennas are you guys using? Like, is it outdoor, indoor, outdoor? And that's something we wrote about actually. You can't find that anywhere, so it's gonna be really cool if people are using, or if they're spending a few seconds just easily just to update their equipment and how they use it. And then the other idea with the guys here working for rack support, we came with that idea called technicians. So basically, those are knowledgeable people around you where they can help you either with setup. You can guys decide if you want to charge them for, like, it's gonna be just figure it out between you. But that's basically people that are recognizing the community and they can help you out with whatever questions you have. Like, from our experience, there are a lot of people asking for help and for how should I say, for people that they can just help them out. So those are the two ideas: the technicians and the equipment, which we're trying to just to make it easily to correlate the data.
Very cool. And you mentioned something about video earlier.
Yes. Well, basically, we want to. Everybody wants to, like, whenever you get to chat, sooner or later you want to share your screen or just to get easily. So you don't want to log in Zoom, send an invitation, open Telegram just to send the invitation. So we decided to go like just to be able to initiate a video chat from the system, and then a pop-up is coming on the other end, and you can just accept or deny it. It's basically, we generate the link with the API, we send you the link, and we say, hey, the elegant blue pelican from Sofia, Bulgaria is trying to start a video chat with you. Do you want to participate, yes or no? So basically, you can accept or deny it. It's just really easy way to connect to two people without the overhead, like going to a website, generating a link, sending the invitation, and all that crap. It's actually free service. We just want to give back to the community. The only thing that you pay at the beginning, as I said, it's just 0.0001 HNT. That's the way that we verify that you're the actual owner of the wallet. We thought about if you want to do any verification, but it really makes easy to chat to the people when you know it's the actual owner.
Right.
So that's the only thing you pay one time to verify your ownership, and then it's on the blockchain. Everybody can see it, that the user is verified, and then you know that you speak to the actual person who is holding the hotspot actually.
Awesome.
So
You've got a couple of questions here, if you don't
Sure.
mind doing a little Q&A.
Yes, burn to verify the owner of the address, just tiny amount. Yeah, as I said, it's I think it's just 1 cent in US dollars at the current rate. It's 0.0001 HNT. Yes,
And so your website is at heliumhost.com. If anyone wants to grab an account and test this out for themselves.
Yes, it's heliumhost.com.
The more people we have in, the better, just to build the community.
Charbo is writing that, yeah, the actual owner stats and earnings can be shown to everyone. So now his revenue are linked to his social account. Not very good idea for IRS and tax. Yeah, I got the concern, but basically you can always create an account that is just used for communication. Like, and as I said, in Signal and Element, even in Telegram, you don't share, you share your username, but you don't share phone number and stuff like that.
Yeah, but it's a big concern. Yeah, it's a big concern for you know, in some countries are still ISM is not regulatory and it's off the band, and we have problems with taxes and everything. So this is a big concern for this project. Otherwise. The one that Theodore mentioned about the antenna and the product listing and everything, like it will help the community better than the video chatting or whatever on Signal. But just wanted to say that. Thank you.
Sure.
Can you guys hear me now? Just to make sure I'm on the phone. Is it better?
Much better, man.
Much better. Yeah.
I'm so sorry for that. Yeah, thank you. I just wanted to say, I mean, everything is free. We've been discussing a few ways to capitalize on this, but we just want more people to sign up, and basically, eventually, maybe we can do something with the tech support. Maybe we can do something with the marketplace, which was another idea that someone recommended from the community, saying, "Hey, I want to sell my hotspot." You know, it's much easier if you list it on HeliumHosts, where you deal only with, you know, with people involved in the industry, than listing it on eBay for 20K or something. So it's you know, we just need you guys if you want to sign up and help. And we've been growing super quickly. Like, I mean, I was super surprised. Like, we probably have around 2,500 hotspots right now. And we've been
this morning.
Yeah, we did have a conversation with Emrit as well, and we're working on potentially integrating something and building something for them as well, in terms of, because the relationship there is a little bit more difficult. I think someone mentioned it in the questions, because they basically, you know, we have to communicate with the hosts, I'm sorry, with the actual host, not with Helium itself. So we need to do a little bit of a tweaking of the system, but there's a good chance that we'll be getting more wallets signing up. And, you know, whoever didn't sign up, please go ahead and sign. It's a very little amount. We actually initially wanted to do it without burning any amount of HNT, but it's just too risky that some people just take advantage and sign up with a wallet that they don't own. So we decided to go with the smallest, which is 0.001 HNT.
And it makes a lot of sense. And this way that you actually know who you're talking to is the owner of that hotspot. And no, I think this is safe. And that's the smallest amount that you can transfer on HNT wallet to wallet. So that's no, that makes a lot of sense. I like this. Someone does have a question here.
Yes, I see there are a couple of more questions actually. Hirsch Dave is writing about that he's concerned that somebody gonna abuse the service and they're gonna start writing. And if we have the ability to ban people, yeah, we have the ability to ban people. And also we have an online chat that is 24/7. You can just click here. I think you still see it's talk to. So basically you connect to us, and at any time you can just let us know what the problem is, and we can handle that. In addition to that, a lot of, as we require verification, abusers, they still have to burn some amount of HNT, so we know who the abuser is. It's not like an anonymous service where you can, well, it's anonymous in terms of you don't know who's behind the wallet, but you still need a valid wallet where you need to verify the ownership. A few more questions. I think I saw somebody ask about Emrit and if we're planning to do it on a hotspot level, because currently we're tied to the actual wallet. Yeah, we're thinking about that actually. We had 2 calls, a couple of meetings with Emrit, a few very productive sessions, and how we can handle the Emrit users. Yeah, we're thinking about it, how to implement it, because it's very easy on our side actually to accommodate that, but we still like to have the verification, that to give you the ability to know that you're speaking to the actual owner. And on a hotspot level, that is a little bit tricky how to do it and how to achieve it. Also, can we tip you to support this service? Yeah. Tips are really appreciated. Not necessary, as we said. It's we wanted to give back to the community. Everything is free of charge.
So I guess Dimi, we have to make it when they burn HNT, we just got to put a higher amount. Like, hey, just burn a little bit more or something.
Sure.
But for us, I mean, we're not. That's not something that we've probably made just to brag a little bit. I think we made what, maybe $14.
Hey, there you go, man.
Yeah, and Paul is right. I think it would be a really nice feature in Helium app. We were thinking about just getting our own app where you can chat. But yeah, probably Helium app. It's open source. We can think about it. Basically, we can talk to the developers, send requests, merge request, and then we can work on it.
Awesome. And you guys have been fantastically available, throughout the developments. I don't think you guys sleep at all. So
well, I think that's the benefit, having one person in Europe and one in the USA. Basically, we're covering about 20 something hours actually.
This map is fantastic, though, with the blue addition on the map to see exactly who is contactable. But I still want to see a live demo here, and you can use one of my hotspots, if you'd like it, or if anyone else is on host and would like to, do a little contact.
Just a couple of more questions. Mike is writing.
Perfect.
If he put his Telegram, does that mean that he can only talk to people who are using the message service and not Skype, for example? Or no, you can use all the service. Like, as long as you put one social account or like one contact method, you can contact the people to any other. They're gonna be listed. I can do. You see my screen, right?
Yep.
So basically, I can do a Discord. It's Dmitry Petrov. I think my Skype is something like, I'm not sure, Signal. So basically, whenever I save it, and whenever you see, did I save it actually? I did save it. Okay, so basically, you're gonna see just different contact options. So basically, you can click on any one of them, and you can use any one of them.
And there was a comment here earlier that the video seemed like overkill, but the video service kind of ties into the text service that you were describing earlier. When
yes,
okay.
And as I said, like, you're not. It's just sending an invitation, and you can decide accept or deny it. Like, it's not. It's basically more for the text service and for the support service. Will there be a way to exclude our hotspots from the service? Yeah, like as long as you're not registered, they're just gonna display as the normal way as on the Explorer, online or offline. Or if Steve is asking the question, or I'm not sure if I understand the question correctly. If the question is if you have 100 hotspots and you want to include just 2 hotspots displayed online, We haven't thought about it, but it sounds like easy to achieve and probably useful feature, as you don't want to put all 100 hotspots to be contactable and just a couple of them. Have you thought about extending and offer all out? Sure. So other services can use it, definitely. Okay, Steve just added another follow-up comment. I meant once added can be removed in the case. Yes, it's basically because it's tied to the wallet. If you sell your hotspot, you're pulling the information from the API, from the Helium API. As long as you transfer the ownership, it's just gonna update by itself. Sure. Hey guys, call me. Definitely put a big sign in the front of the neighborhood. I'm hoping I didn't really miss any comment. I'm trying to go through all of them. Yeah, 27K owners already, just great. I know there are a lot of hotspots on the way. Can you highlight this camera on the network? Yeah, just click the green button on the bottom. That's the support guys. That's us, and just leave us a message, and we can handle that and ban the user.
Actually, as we speak, we have someone from Emirates on the support. It just popped. I don't know if you, Dimi, if you saw it, but
yeah, not really actually.
Yeah,
I've been do not disturb actually.
Yeah, because it's but yeah. So we do have a lot of people from Emirates who currently cannot sign up because in order for them to sign up, they need to. We're, as Dimi said, we're identifying based on wallet, and basically the hotspot is not on their wallet, right? So because it's on Emirates wallet, but we're working on ways to fix this with them, and we do have. I don't know if someone from Emirates is here, maybe Rando. I'm not sure. I couldn't look at the list of people, but right now we have someone who's who's asking, "Hey, I cannot sign up anymore," because apparently he signed up when we didn't have the verification. So right now he's saying, I cannot log in because we pretty much disallowed the login unless you verify. So
yeah, what Q is saying, somebody from Emirates, like an Emirates hotspot owner, registered on the service with the actual address of the of the wallet. And right now, probably the actual wallet owner is trying to register, and it says you're already in HeliumHosts. There is a quite easy way. Basically, if you don't verify your account in 24 hours, it's just going to be disabled, and the next person can register. Almost done actually on our side. Yeah, we can do another demo if you want, Travis. If you tell me your hotspot name or any of those, I can just find you out here.
Yeah, we could do that. I'll tell you what. Let me give you one of these guys. Log in real quick. So
Lone Star. Yeah, here you are.
So you can hit me, yeah, right there. And that's me. Send me a message and I can show you it pop up on my phone.
I think your hotspot needs an attention actually. Oh no, it's actually offline. Yeah, it's offline right now.
Yeah. If you could see right here, maybe. There we go.
How come we don't see it on your screen where it says send message? How come?
Because it goes through the Telegram application rather than their app. And so he's yeah.
So it basically transfers to I see.
He's probably only sharing the browser, not the app.
Yeah, I'm sharing actually just the browser. I can share my whole desktop actually.
And so he told me, "How's it, man? Your hotspot needs an attention."
Which is this one.
There we go. And that's exactly what I have right over here. And it also allows me to block this user at the top. So if I'm like, hey, I do not want to be contacted, I can block them through the Telegram application. So very cool. Very cool.
If you guys have any suggestions, let us know, because as I said, we're very flexible.
But if you guys have any ideas, I mean, I would say more than 50% of the things we've done is ideas that you guys suggested. The authentication was an idea from someone from the community. The technician part, it was, also it came from other people. So any ideas that you guys might have, down the road, just send us an email or let Travis know or let Dimi or me, and we'll be super happy to implement.
Sure.
Go
if
ahead.
you have any questions, you can hit me on Discord, as I said, HeliumHosts, or just hit me on Telegram, whatever it's working better for you. And if you have any ideas, just share them with us. We're quite flexible, and we always appreciate feedback back from the community and good ideas.
Well, gentlemen, thank you very much for coming up on the Hacks today and showing this off. You're welcome anytime. Please come back. Please hang around for the rest of the call. I know it's late over there, but thank you for staying up and showing this off to the community. I think this is exciting, and I know that people have been clamoring for it for quite some time now. So it's great what you guys are doing out there, and it's wonderful that you're making it a free service right now. So thanks a lot, guys.
Thank you.